Good afternoon. Here we are at 142 in WINNSBORO, Texas, going live April the 8th, 2024. The street lights are starting to come on. I just think you may have just noticed the one down there. Within about 3 minutes, we should be going totally dark. Again, every street light has started to come on. That one there, you're noticing it come on right now. How cool was that? Oh my goodness, look at my shadow. We're going totality, if you will. A ring of fire right now. A ring of fire right now. Totally ring of fire, totally black almost around. I mean, it is like really, really dark. Again, I don't know that you're able to see the ring of fire. We've got bells chiming in the background. Total dead center where we are right now. Wow, almost totally dark. I didn't know we were gonna have a ring of fire, if you will. Trying to draw back. Again, here we are in WINNSBORO, Texas. You saw some of the street lights coming on. It's about 1:45 p.m. Totally clear around the sun, the moon. Full totality, if you will. I'm sure I need a better lens and stuff to... Let me try one other thing. Well, that's not working. There's one star that's so bright. The birds are just singing. Like it was daybreak or sunset. (1:46 p.m. Made Like New Ministries live, WINNSBORO, Texas. Total eclipse. What I would call a ring of fire, but it's just got the sun blocked totally by the moon. God bless you.